Hello, this is Teacher Ron, and we are going to start practicing blending letter sounds. Let's review the letter sounds first. Let's have the first one. What animal is this? This is ape. Ape reads A, A, A. Don't forget to smile. A reads A, A, A. Very good. Now it's your turn. Give me the letter sound. Very good. Okay, now let's have the next one. This one is antelope. Antelope. Antelope reads a, a, a. Good job. This is letter A. A reads a, a, a. Very good. Now it's your turn. Give me the letter sound. A reads good job. Next one. Let's have armadillo. Armadillo. Ah. Armadillo reads ah, ah, ah. This is also letter A. A reads ah, ah, ah. Okay, don't forget one more time. What animal is this? Armadillo. Armadillo. Armadillo reads ah, ah, ah. Good job. A reads ah, ah, ah. All right, let's do it one more time. Armadillo reads ah, ah, ah. A reads ah, ah, ah. Okay, now it's your turn. Let's have the letter sound. Nice. Let's have the next one. Next animal friend is Milton Mule. Milton Mule. Mule reads mm, mm, mm. M reads mm, mm, mm. Nice one. Let's have the letter sound again. Mm, mm, mm. Now it's your turn. Give me the letter sound. What's the letter sound again? Very good. Next animal friend, let's have sunny sunfish. Sunny sunfish. Sunfish reads. What letter is this? Letter S. S reads. Let's have sunfish reads. S reads. All right, now let's have letter S. Give me the letter sound. Very good. You're doing a great job. Now let's have Felix Fox. Let's practice. All right, let's do it one more time. All right, this is fox. Fox. Fox Fox reads. This one is letter F. F. F reads. All right, let's do it one more time. Fox reads. F reads. All right, now it's your turn. Give me the letter sound. Very good. Let's have Ricky Rabbit. Rabbit. Rabbit reads r, r, r. One more time. Rabbit reads r, r, r. What letter is this? Letter R. R reads r, r, r. One more time. Let's do it one more time. R, r, r. Now it's your turn. Give me the letter sound. Very good. Now we are going to start blending letter sound. Let's have the first one. What's this letter sound? A. 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 One more time. A. A. What about this one? What's the sound? Mm. Mm. Give me the letter sound. A. Mm. All right, let's do it one more time. A. Mm. A. Mm. Let's do it one more time. A. Mm. A. Mm. Now, this time we are going to try to blend it. Am. 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 One more time. Am. Am. All right, that's very good. Now it's your turn to practice. Give me the letter sound. One more time with that word. Say am. Am. Good job. Now let's have another one. Give me the letter sound. A. A. When you see this letter, you don't have to read it. A. Okay. A. Good job. Let's try it. A. A. Now this time we are going to blend. Aim. Aim. Don't forget to smile. Aim. Aim. One more time. Aim. All right. Now this time it's your turn. Let's have blend it. Okay. Do it one more time. Aim. Aim. All right. Very good. Let's have another word. Ah. Ah. One more time. Ah. Ah. All right. One more time. Let's do it one more time. Follow teacher. Ah. Ah. Okay, now this time we are going to blend it. Ah. Ah. Okay, let's try to blend. Ma. 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 All right. Now it's your turn. Give me the letter sound. One more time. Okay, very good. Now it's your turn to blend. Let's blend it. Let's do it one more time. Say ma, ma. Okay. Ma, ma. All right. Let's move on to the next one. What about this one? Let's say A. A. Don't forget to smile. A. A. May. 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 One more time. A. May. May. All right. Good job with that. Now it's your turn. Give me the letter sound. All right. Let teacher hear it one more time. May. May. Okay. Good job. Another one. What's the sound of this one? A. 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 Say. A. Say. One more time. Say. Say. All right. It's your turn. Give me the letter sound. Now blend it. Let teacher hear it one more time. Say. Say. All right. Say. One more time. Let's say. Say. All right. Good job. And let's have another word. Say. What's the letter sound? A. Right. A. Good job. One more time. A. Now this time we are going to blend it. Same. All right. Same. Okay. A. Same. Same. One more time. Same. All right, now it's your turn. Let me hear the letter sound. Now blend it. All right, very good. Good job. You're doing a great job. This is the last one for this session. Let's have the next one. What about this one? Say, A. Hmm. One more time. A. Hmm. All right, one more time. Say A. Hmm. All right, let's try to blend. A. Hmm. Sam. One more time. Say Sam. All right, this time it's your turn. Let teacher hear it. Okay, now blend it. All right, let's read it one more time. Say Sam. Sam. All right, that's it for today. We are going to have another one tomorrow. Okay, I'm gonna see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.